This is Chandrasekharan. I would like to talk about the stress management today. Stress comes in various forms, and especially when it is on chronic level, which is caused by job insecurities, commuting, family problems, or sleeping, or unemployment. It can be it can be any of this, or maybe all of this. So, according to the recent study, what they say is that 33% of the people are having extreme stress levels, and 48% people are having trouble sleeping. 77% of the people are affected physically because of the stress, and 73% have the health problems due to this stress. Let me tell you some of the things about the stress. Stress, if it is a little bit of stress, very, very marginal, it's okay because that gives you a memory power. But if it crosses the limit, so what is the limit? In fact, you shouldn't have stress. So what is the limit? Maybe 0.01%, maybe. All right. So if it increases, it gives lot of health problems. So let us talk about what are all the bad effects of this stress. First is, let us call it as, it is a fatigue, overwhelming fatigue, physical pain, skin irritations, and you have a pain in the joints and soft tissues. You have poor brain function due to the lack of sleep. You have malfunctions of kidney and adrenal adrenal glands, ulcers, raising blood pressure, faster and harder heartbeat, so which leads into heart attack. These things happen when you get stress bodily. And when it comes to the mind aspects of it, it is uh, you will start worrying about it. You have this negativity thinking, indecision, hasty decisions, impaired judgment, and nightmares, and muddled thinking, things like that. And when it comes to emotions, the stress it gives you, it's very more fussy. You feel alienated, or you feel depressed, anxiety, apathy, loss of confidence, irritability, things like that, as far as the emotional is concerned. Behavior, how it affects. You will start smoking, or you will smoke and drink more. You will have restlessness. You have loss of appetite, insomnia, things like that. So, as far as the stress is concerned, these are all the bad effects. I'm not trying to scare you, but you should be aware of what stress can do. You must be very careful with that. So, having said that stress is bad, how to overcome that? What can we do to avoid, or we should say, stop it? How to overcome that? If you already have it, we have something. If you don't have it, it's good. So let us see how we can do it. Overcome the stress is that you have to first prioritize. How to prioritize? You have to know which is very important and urgent. Accordingly, plan your prioritization and attack it. Cool down quickly. If you are angry, if you want to say something, just cool down before you give a reply. Breathe in through your mouth as if you're using a straw and inhale. I'll be taking some soft drinks like that, and then leave it through your nose for a few seconds. That will cool down the system. You have to respond, not to react. You have to be very clear about it. And you have a deep breath. Do it for 5 seconds. Schedule your day for energy and focus. So always keep your energy and focus. Don't, if you try to work 6 to 8 hours a day, it will give you fatigueness. So what I would suggest is give a break once in 90 minutes. Have a break, go for a short walk within your office or wherever you are in the house or wherever, or just to relax yourself. And more important, another thing is that you have to eat your food right, lots of protein, and you have to sleep well too. In case you have a problem of sleeping, you have one small techniques, breathing techniques. Only on your left nostril, inhale for 5 seconds, hold it, and exhale it the same period of time, 5 seconds. Keep doing it for 5 to 10 times, and then probably that will knock you down to sleep. The another thing is that self-imposed stress. What is that self-imposed stress? Is that in case somebody trying to say something to you as to what to do, how to do things like that, take it easy. If it is applicable, do it. If it is not applicable, don't brood over it. Try to avoid it. Just concentrate on your work. Just concentrate. Don't get messy with that. Once you do that, once you concentrate on your work, perhaps you will succeed much better than trying to satisfy everyone, and which is not possible there again. The last one I would say on the stress point of it is that you have to have a motivational thinking. Encourage yourself. Always think that, yes, I can do it. I am not stressed. Keep that confidence. Self confidence is very important in this. Right. So, having said this about the stress, please make sure that, especially at this time of this pandemic, COVID 19, please take care, keep yourself very safe, and enjoy your work, enjoy your studies, enjoy your family, whatever it is. Try to make it more enjoyable. Feel happy. So, stress is definitely will spoil your health. So try to cut it down totally. All right. So, with that, let me quickly finish this one. Thank you for listening. We hope it is of little use to you. Shortly, I will come out with some other topics and put it on that. So, till then, take care, be safe. Namaste.